An affidavit is a sworn statement a person makes before a notary or officer of the court outside of the court asserting that certain facts are true to the best of that person's knowledge. Affidavits by both plaintiff or prosecution and defense witnesses are usually collected in preparation for a trial. An affidavit may include a commencement which identifies the affiant, an attestation clause, usually a jurat, at the end certifying that the affiant made the statement under oath on the specified date, signatures of the affiant and person who administered the oath,